So, cocoa, palm oil, and milk prices. Is there a link to this? There's been a few good questions about this, and this is one of them. Is there a link to chocolate companies replacing milk with palm oil? So, I had to look at the data on this, and the short answer is no. Milk prices aren't falling because the chocolate companies are using less milk. They are. That's not the cause, though. And this is the reasoning why. So when milk leaves the farm, the vast majority of it doesn't go into chocolate. So around 40% goes straight into liquid drinking milk. Around 35% goes into cheese, and roughly 5 to 10% goes into butter and milk powders. That means around 90 to 95% of all milk is used in core dairy products. And a very small fraction, less than around 2%, I think it is used in chocolate manufacturing. So even chocolate production collapsed. So even if chocolate production collapsed completely tomorrow, just disappeared, it wouldn't cause a major fall in milk prices. At most, you'd be talking about a 1-2% impact, and not the 20% drop farmers are seeing now. So yes, chocolate recipes have changed. Yes, some manufacturers are using less milk, but those changes are far too small to see what's really happening in the milk market. The milk prices are being driven down by much more structural issues and global oversupply. Processors have got massive pricing power, and they can force down to the local farmers. You've got international imports coming in, pushing prices down, and all that price goes right down the supply chain, ending with the farmers. And it's the dairy farmers who are carrying the cost.